Wait, me. Wait. Leave me alone. Wait now. Whoa, no. What? Hey, leave me alone. Leave me, this guy, a bastard. I don't know. Guy, leave me. Guy, leave me. You know what I do? Hey! You are very stupid. You know what Hi guys, it's your favorite prankster, Whisker, like you all know. Today, I'm about to do a very interesting prank. It's a loyalty prank. Actually, my brother here, Sugar Boy.
Yeah, Sugar White.
Sugar White, sorry. He asked me to prank his girlfriend. That he want to test his girlfriend, right? So I was like, guy, why you want to test this girl? She trust him. Anytime you say trust him, babe, but you just want to test him. I say, guy, I don't test many girls, so I don't see so many fuck up and so many loose garden.
My girl no fit fall for you.
Now the yagam.
Anytime you for first women and date for 3 years, 3 good years. You know what I mean?
Anytime you say he want pranking girlfriend, you just want test stamps that he has given me his baby number for like 1 week. He has given me his baby number. I've been tracking guy. I don't need to toast your babe for like 1 week now. She give me a number. Her number, sorry.
She no fit fall for you.
No worry now.
No.
Wait. I don't need to toast your babe for like 1 week. Sugar, relax. Man, shock you. Your babe agrees to go see today.
My own babe.
I swear, Sugar.
My own babe.
Your babe to hook up. I know say you go doubt. I know say you go doubt him. But you know what? Me, I don't talk. You get me? Me, I don't talk. And she's coming today. That's why I call you. So me can witness everything. What's up, guys? You guys can see. Say now him say me can run in girlfriend loyalty test. And now the girl is coming today. And that's why I called him. Sugar, your babe is coming today.
Call her. Call her.
Ma call her, me she come.
Call her. She said she come today.
Yes.
No wahala.
She's coming now. That's why I called her to come now. That's why I called you. So you be
my
here.
Own babe.
I swear. If you what you want give me, you doubt me.
If my babe come here, if my babe where they give money, my babe I go leave my parents why I will give my babe money. If my babe come here, I will give you 100k. I will credit you 100k.
100k.
I go if you
no wahala, sugar.
No, I mean,
okay guys, let's watch. Make sure you watch this video till the end. This video will be very interesting. Don't miss any part. Sugar, let's go. Those are your babes coming.
No wahala.
Okay, hello, Chema. Yes, I'm still there. Where are you? Just come, you will see me. Be coming. Okay, I've seen you. Come on. What's up, man?
Fine.
It's supposed to be now.
I'm good.
You're looking beautiful.
Thank you.
Fine, okay. What is the price again?
30k.
30k.
Yes.
It's not much.
No, it's not much. I'll do you.
Like you do.
Any style you want.
Hey, wait, bad girl. Don't leave. Okay, let's go now. But you know, let me just call my friend that will drive us down.
Okay, no problem.
Alpha bro, come now. Come on, more drive. Bro, come on, drive.
Choma.
So what are you doing here? So boyfriend.
Choma.
Bro, come.
Choma, what are you doing here?
Bro, come now. Bro. Your girlfriend, you
Choma, what are you doing
bro,
here?
Come now, bro, come.
Choma,
bro, wait.
Choma, you did hook up.
Wait, calm down.
And my baby this.
Calm down. No touch you, man.
Choma,
Wait. Leave me alone. Choma, wait now. No beat man, wait now. Bro, no. Bro, hey, bro, I don't know. I don't beat man.
Choma,
I bet stop now, bro. Calm down. Don't be my point. Calm down now. You know what I do? Hey, calm down first now. Don't be too much now. Calm down now.
Choma, all the things what they do for you, you do hook up.
No, I'm not doing hook up.
No be why I give money last 2 weeks.
Calm down.
Choma, you do hook up.
Sorry, I'm not
Hi, Choma.
Bro, calm down now.
Choma, you doubt me now. Hi, Jesus. Choma, leave me alone. Leave me, this guy, a bastard.
Wait now.
This guy.
No, wait now.
Everything what they do for you.
Calm down. No be speaker pan calm. No be speaker pan. Can't be you.
You.
Bro, calm down. Calm down.
Just come up for you. I don't want to see her.
Calm down.
You.
Calm down, bro.
So,
Calm down.
leave me alone.
Calm down.
Leave me alone.
Bro, calm down now. Bro, calm down now. calm down. Wait now, bro.
You know what I do for this girl?
Now.
Guy, leave me. Guy, leave me. You know what I do for you? You're very stupid. You know what I do?
Wait, you go. They go.
You know what I do for this girl?
Wait. No kill her, bro.
If I feel her,
Tell her woman now. Guy, no be too man. Bro, wait. No be too man. Wait. I know. Say just wait. Calm down. Don't go now, bro. What? Now photo. Next man talk out. Now you talk more. Now talk about you. Now talk more. Now the first. Now wait, bro. We are no cry. Calm down.
I don't do for this girl.
No cry. Calm down. I understand the pain. Calm down. Wait. Stand up. Stop. No verse.
If I see this girl,
No verse, bro. They go. Now, wow. Bro, no verse now. You don't do now. Bro, you don't do. After don't take care, let me promise me.
God punish you with 100K.
Now, wow. I tell her more. I tell her no yeah. Now, let me the face everything now. Hey. That's not going to do that back again. Thank God. Sorry. Loyalty plank.